posted signs on the job site and on the fences. There'll be informational telling, so that like it'll have 1-800 number on there that will allow all of the students, if they see something unsafe happening on the job site, they can call, and then we'll be able to help that situation or find out what it is and correct it. We're also going to have security cameras so that we'll know who, if any, there's been any problems. It'll help keep the job site safe. So going to that, this is our job site layout. As you can see, the red is going to be where the student traffic is. This is the proposed building. The 2 yellow markers will be our office trailers, and we'll have subcontractor trailers up on the other side. Okay, so our contractor traffic is going to come in here, where Rutherford Boulevard runs right along, kind of parallel to the entrance, which will eliminate us coming on campus for any deliveries as much as possible. I mean, we'll have an entrance. So we'll have employee parking. They'll be here, and our laydown area, which will be right up here. Our traffic will come and go through here, and we'll be able to access all the areas that we need to. We're also going to have an emergency entrance and exit right here in case there's anything that might happen that we need to access. Be a quick breakaway fence. So with that, turn it over to our VP of Ops, Alan Wright.
So, just one last little overview of why we're here, just to give you a few little features and benefits. One thing is our value engineering. You know, we're here to cut costs, get the price down for you, but also deliver you the best product we can give you. One other thing is safety. You know, Damon just got done talking about how important safety is to us. That's our most important thing. So we make sure not only are our employees safe, all the subs are safe, the students around campus are safe. So, with that, I'd like to say once again, thank you for being here, and we look forward to working with you on the MTSU Student Services project.
Good job, Pat. We got now some little time for questions. We've actually got the
Except for Jeff.
Except for him.
I know all the mistakes.
Do you? You got any questions for him, Jeff?
I have a question. I guess this is for Brady and Damon. How do you guys, your question would be, how do you, during buyout and pre-qualifying and bringing subcontractors on board, how do you focus on the finished quality product, building quality into how you're buying out the job, making sure they're going to have a quality control program, that sort of thing, and then tell me a little bit about your quality, how you oversee quality on a job site.
So Brady, you want to start?
I'll start. Well, you have to understand that you're not buying quality. You're not going to gain quality from me, right? You're going to lose quality by not going with us. There's a big difference in our quality control system, our quality management system, and our construction management system. Okay, don't confuse those two. We have a very specific design team that has looked at this project, and we've handpicked each and every one of our project control members, and those guys are going to be on site most of the time. I'll be on site, you know, for the entire duration of the project. Throughout the project, my superintendent and I are going to work together, and we're going to have project engineers. Hopefully, we can work with MTSU to get some interns so they can gain more knowledge. We're going to be giving these people the plans. They're going to have different sections of the project that they're going to look at. They're going to be responsible for just that area of the plant. Okay, so if you have a grid or a column line, you know, one student or one individual will have just that MEP section. Another student just have the landscaping around one side of the building. He'll be responsible for that. We're bringing that to me on a daily or probably a weekly basis, and what we'll do is we'll always be looking at relying on, you know, our personnel to provide us with the quality, and it goes back to our team. I mean, we handpick everybody, and we're serious about providing a quality product.
Yeah, quality on site is very important. One of the ways that I'll do that on site is I'll go out every day, inspect the job, see what's going on, watch the subcontractors as they're performing their works. If I notice anything that's out of place or not right, if there's really work done, I'm going to catch that immediately and have them do that right then. That's very important because that's going to if you wait, you don't do it, you'll have a problem later on. So it's very important to stay on top of that every day. And having our meetings, our weekly meetings with sales and suppliers that way we'll be able to address any issues between subcontractors and our scheduling meetings.
Thank you. Other questions? So I guess I have one about the lead area. Maybe, I don't know, Brett, whether you can answer this. You know, a lot of the lead aspects are in the design. So what are some of the things that from a constructor or builder standpoint that you do for lead?
We took into account some of the rainwater issues, keeping a lot of the rainwater on site, reusing for irrigation. That was one of the big credits there we received. Another one was pervious paving around the parking lot, trying to just reduce the offsite watershed. That was our big ticket on this project. There's a lot of campus flooding issues. If you've been on campus, I'm sure you know about that. Trying to reduce the how quick that hits those detention ponds and areas around campus. So that's one example of what we looked at in the lead.
How'd they do on the budget?
The ballpark, they look pretty good. I didn't go into the detail of it, but
So what they did is
Can we
part
hear
of
the
their
final number? Real number versus.
it's not done yet. But
So what they had to do as part of their class was actually take the plans. Y'all took off what, the concrete?
General
It was
conditions.
foundations, general conditions, toilet accessories, rough carpentry, and doors installation.
is the bridge in here?
No.
No, we just tried to just isolate just the building and not the garages.
And there's no garage, I don't know what you're talking about.
That's phase 3.
So they
Yeah.
put together the budget, the schedule, presentation.
In the ballpark, it's close to what we did.
Any other questions?
I've just got a comment. All of you did great on presentations. I think folks your age have probably been doing that more as you've grown up than most of all the old white guys that didn't do that a lot in their life. So what's important about how Tom's leading you through this, you're gonna do this for the rest of your life in some fashion. I don't care how projects get delivered anymore, whether it's all price-based or none of it's price-based, you're gonna be presenting yourself, you're gonna be selling yourself and your company, so you're off to a pretty good start. I can tell you all of you did this, and whoever your business developer would be helping you, you all had your hands in your pockets all the time, and they don't make you do that, they throw stuff at you. But you did a great job, and you make good eye contact and all that, so you're off to a good start.
Probably a few critiques, hands in pockets, looking at different people. Brady was a little guilty of looking at some slides, maybe more than he was the people. I think Alan's got maybe a possibility of sales. I think you can be a used car salesman. But I thought, like I say, overall, that you hit the major points. Nobody was reading all the slides, so I think that's very important as well. Shannon, do you have anything? Shannon's our marketing group too, so she helped them a little bit.
No, y'all did really good in the handoffs where we were talking about making sure to get the feel of a team. I thought y'all did a really good job of tying in with each other and mentioning each other and the roles that you'll play. So I thought it was really good.
There were 4 or 5 times where you could see what you coached them on. And the handoff to one of them, you could tell
They
they
did good.
had
They
some
did
help
good.
there.
Good. Well, Chris has also been helping on the part of our management team, if you will, and helping, coach him some, look at the presentations and stuff. And so it's a good team effort. So anyway, good job, guys. Is that an A? Is that an A or B?
Well, we need to see where they stood on the price.
You
can win the presentation.
You gotta have the right price.
Good job.
Good. So you wanna go ahead and we'll grab some lunch and then continue the meeting. You guys are welcome to stay or head out and have a celebratory. I'm not gonna say that. It's a little early yet. It's 12 o'clock. A Coke. You can That's true. So we've got some Firehouse subs here, some water and lemonade. so maybe ladies first.
Oh.
Get us
There's
started
like
here.
3 of us.
We're
Y'all
working.
go ahead.